Alright, let's see how many vending machines we can get in a 10-minute YouTube video. Here's 2 cigarette vending machines. And there's 3 drink machines. Alright, let's walk. Yeah, Japan has a crazy amount of vending machines. It's almost funny. Let's see everybody cleaning up. There's 2 more. Yes, and Japan has beer and cigarette vending machines. And if you're wondering how that works with the underage population, just a while ago it didn't matter. If you were a kid and wanted to buy beer, you could. Here's some more. Inside the shroom, what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here's one right here. Yeah, because Japan doesn't have the stigma with it like the U.S., so it actually wasn't a problem. There's even more vending machines. They're all over the place, so I hope you actually miss them because you just stop noticing them. Yeah. I actually need to go to the convenience store. There's 2 more. Another one across the street. Another one right here. And I know there's a ton. If I go around that corner down there, it's probably like 9 or 10 right next to each other, but I don't want to walk that way. We used through some old streets and it just takes a little bit longer. I think. I haven't really timed it yet, but I'm pretty sure it does. Here's another one. Cow piss. Yes. There's another one. There's another one. There are 2 more. Here's another one. Let's see, we got a street right here. Oh, down that little street. See, up there's another one. Might be 2 there, side by side. I can't really see. I think that should convey the point. There are a ton of vending machines in Japan, and they sell. Oh, and this thing I probably should have shown, just stopped at one, is that because if it's coming on main, like a big intersection here, so there's not actually going to be any, or well, there might be, but they actually sell hot drinks too, like hot coffee in the vending machines, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, I thought that would be interesting to somebody. All right, later.